Enough participants are there. Only 71 participants are here, means only half of the attendance is marked, but it's there last week. Can't do anything. I'm sharing my screen. We are starting with our unit 7 from second section. Ganesh, what you are trying to tell me? I don't have any instructions regarding that you are telling. Ganesh Naik Navre. Please unmute yourself and tell me what is the problem.
मॅम
गणेश,
कॉलेज में सेशन आहे ऑफलाईन.
ऑफलाईन सेशन आहे कुठला?
काल मॅमने सांगितलं होतं 2 ते 4.
पण आम्हाला काहीच इन्स्ट्रक्शन आले नाही. तुम्ही जॉईन केलाय का तो?
हा कॉलेजमध्ये आलोय मॅम, बाहेर आहे.
मग करणार आहेत का तुम्ही तो सेशन अटेंड?
हा येस मॅम.
ओके, देन यू कॅन लीव द मीटिंग, नॉट एनी इश्यू. अजून कोणी कॉलेजमध्ये आहे का आणि कोण जॉईन करणार आहे का तो सेशन? कारण आम्हाला तरी तशा इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स नाही आहेत की ओके. Whoever wants to attend that session, you can go. जो काही स्टार्टअप सेशन काही जो आहे तिथे ज्यांना लेक्चर मीन्स त्यांना कोणाला ते अटेंड करायचं असेल ते जाऊ शकतात. जो ऑफलाईन सेशन आहे तो आम्हाला लेक्चर्स प्रॅक्टिकल्स कंडक्ट करायला सांगितलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे आम्ही ते कंडक्ट करणार आहोत. टेक इट्स युअर डिसिजन. Okay, so we are starting with our second section, 7th unit. That is nothing but groups. And in that, the Polish expressions and their compilation. That's what we are going to see, and groups and group codes. These are the contents of this unit. Okay, we will cover at least the first bit of this chapter, that is Polish expressions and their compilation today. If the time persists, then we'll go for the groups. Okay. In the second unit, we already have studied the Polish expressions. Can anybody revise or recall? Yes, Polish expressions. 3 notations were there that already we have seen: infix, prefix, and postfix. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what is there in infix notations? Infix notations. Infix notations are normal notations, means operands and operators are at their place proper. Okay. In prefix, what is there? All the operators are at the start of the expression and operands are after that. Okay. And what in postfix? Postfix, in that first all the operands are there and then after that operators are there. Okay. So Polish expressions means what? The notation which is prefix. Okay. Prefix notations are known as Polish expressions. Okay. Prefix. In that, at the start, we are writing all
मॅम
the.
काही स्टुडंट्स ऑफलाईन कॉलेजमध्ये गेलेत एंटरप्रेनरशिपचं जे लेक्चर ठेवलेत.
हो, पण आम्हाला काय इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आल्या, जे कोणी इच्छुक आहेत त्याच्यासाठी ते सगळे कॉलेजमध्ये ते अटेंड करतील आणि आम्हाला सांगितलंय की लेक्चर्स प्रॅक्टिकल्स अटेंड करायचे आहेत. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, ज्यांना कोणाला आम्हाला लेक्चर्स प्रॅक्टिकल्स नाहीयेत त्यांनी तो सेशन अटेंड करायचा आहे. ओके. म्हणजे ते काय सांगतात की लेक्चर्स प्रॅक्टिकल्स अटेंड म्हणजे तुम्ही कंडक्ट करायचेच आहेत. ज्यांना कोणाला नसतील म्हणजे आमच्या स्टाफ पैकी ते तो सेशन अटेंड करतील. सो जे कोणी कॉलेजमध्ये आहेत, जे इंटरेस्टेड आहेत त्यांनी तो सेशन अटेंड केला तरी चालेल. बाकीच्यांसाठी ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स चालू आहेत. ओके. अनदर पार्ट इज आय एम आउट ऑफ स्टेशन. So because of my some family function, I am out of station. So I'm not there in college. I can't attend the session. Though my function is going on, then also I am conducting the session. If anybody wants to go there, they definitely can go. No any issues. Who wants to stay here, they can stay. Okay. Now any doubt is there?
नो मॅम.
Okay, thank you. In prefix notations we were talking about.
हॅलो मॅम. हॅलो
Yes,
मॅम, लेक्चर आहे आमचं इथं ऑनलाईन, आपलं ऑफलाईन सॉरी कॉलेजवर.
that's what I'm telling you, that anybody that those want to attend that session, you attend offline. Others can stay here in the lecture. Mute yourself, Suraj. It's making noise.
ओके मॅम, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
Yes. Polish expressions means the prefix notations that we have studied. Prefix notations means what? Whatever the operators are there, that operators are there in the expression at the first places, and then the last places will be occupied by the operands in that expression. Okay. Whatever the first means plus, minus, multiplied by, divided by, whatever the operators will be there, those operators will be known as means that operators comes at the start of the expression and then the operands will be there at the last positions. Okay. Now the very first bit of this chapter is this one, that Polish expressions and their compilation. Okay. Many of students from our class are there in the that offline session. Nine 9089 is session, not an issue. Leave it. The expression for adding the numbers 1 and 2 is written in Polish notation as +1, 2. It is known as prefix. Okay. What the Polish expression is, did you get? The prefix notations are known as the Polish expressions. Okay. Only the prefix notations. Okay. Where the operators comes at the first and operands at the last. Those expressions are known as Polish expressions. The expression for adding the numbers 1 and 2 is written in Polish notation as +1, 2 rather than as 1 + 2. In infix we write it like 1 + 2. Okay. But in prefix it is written as +1, 2. Means what? We are adding 1 and 2. Getting? It's the simple structure of the Polish expressions. In more complex expressions, the operators still precede their operands, but the operands may themselves be expressions including again operators and their operands. For instance, the expression that would be written in conventional infix notation as 5 - 6 × 7 can be written in Polish notation as into -5, 6, 7. Okay, how it will do? See here. First, what it will do? What it complex expressions are there, means expression in expressions. Here, not only the multiplication is there, some term is there for multiplication. 5 - 6 itself is an expression, and answer of that 5 - 6 will be multiplied by 7. Okay, two operations are there. First is subtraction and then it is multiplication. Okay, then it can be written in Polish notation. What, like? Yes, like multiplication sign will be first, then which operation is to be performed first? 5 - 6 means -5, 6. We write 5 - 6 in prefix as -5, 6 means 5 will be no, 6 will be subtracted by 5. Okay, 5 will subtract 6 from itself. Subtraction of 5 and 6, 5 - 6. First, multiplication of these two terms, -5, 6 and 7. Okay, for this multiplication sign is there. In that, another expression is 5 - 6. That will be written like -5, 6 and then 7. Okay, lastly it will be written like 7. Getting how the in prefix notations it is denoted into -5, 6 and 7. Okay, now assuming a given arity of all involved operators, arity means order. Okay, order of involved operators, any well-formed prefix representation thereof is unambiguous and brackets within the prefix expressions are unnecessary. Okay, if there any simple representation or expression is there and it is unambiguous, unambiguous means no any confusion is there. Ambiguity means what? Confusion, where what to take first and what to take next, like that. Okay, then any well-formed prefix representation thereof is unambiguous and brackets within the prefix expression are necessary. Okay, if this is not the case, that the operations are complex. Okay, means operations are not complex. It is the case that operations are not complex and brackets, that is parentheses, are unnecessary. Then how this expression will be written as? Simple. Cross minus 5, 6, 7. Here. Cross minus 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then the processing of the product is deferred until its two operands are available. That is 5 minus 6 and 7. Two operands are there. Okay. For multiplication, 5 minus 6 is one and 7 is another. Okay. As with any notation, the innermost expressions are evaluated first, but in Polish notation, this innermostness can be conveyed by the sequence of operators and operands rather than bracketing. Okay. Innermostness. Okay. Now two operators are there. Multiplication and minus. Which is the innermost? Innermost is minus. Okay. Yes or no? Innermost is minus. Then first this operation, minus operation, will be performed. Minus 5, 6. That is 5 minus 6. It will be derived first. Okay. Then whichever the terms comes, that will be divided, multiplied by 7. Here two operators are there, multiplication and subtraction. First the subtraction will be there of 5 and 6, that is 5 minus 6, and then multiplication is there. Okay. Then multiplication is there. The 7 will be multiplied by this one. The answer of this one, 5 minus 6. What does it come? 5 minus 6?
minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1 into 7, it becomes a
Minus 7.
7. Okay. It is the Polish expression. Now how we are going to compile it, we will see one by one. First there is some another information we will go for. In the conventional infix notation, conventional infix notation means a normal expression, that is we have taken the example of this 5 minus 6 into 7. Okay, it is infix one. The parentheses are required to override the standard precedence rules. Since referring to the above example, moving them 5 minus 6 into 7. Okay, what we have, I will show you sharing the screen. See, if we consider like this, 5 minus 6 into 7. Here star means multiplication. Okay, in computer language we okay. My expression is 5 minus 6 into 7. What if I change the parenthesis? 5 minus 6 into 7. It changes the meaning. Yes or no? It changes the meaning. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In first, it will perform for subtraction, but in second form, it will first perform the multiplication. Okay. So it is the infix form. It is infix form. But what is there in prefix, that is Polish expression? Simply we are writing star in bracket minus 5, 6 and 7. Means first we are taking this subtraction of 5 and 6, that is 5 minus 6, and then we are performing that answer of this bracket and 7 with this operator, that is multiplication of this bracket and this 7. Okay, what if we remove the parenthesis? It remains same. Meaning does not change in the case of Polish expressions, because we know whichever is the innermost operator, that will be treated first, that will be performed first. Okay, minus 5, 6 will be performed first, and then star 7 will be performed. Getting? Yes, getting or not? How the parenthesis?
Yes, getting.
Yes, parenthesis does not affect the meaning of Polish expressions. Okay. Now we'll again come to the our slides here. Now here, whatever there was in this sentence, I have told you with the help of our whiteboard. When dealing with non-commutative operations means what? Division and subtraction. There we can't change the order of operators or operands. Okay. In addition, we can write like 5 plus 7 is equal to 10. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. So it is commutative. Same in case of multiplication. Same value will have 5 into 7 is equal to 7 into 5. It does not change the value 35. Okay, 5 into 7 is 35. But which are the non-commutative operations? Division and subtraction. Division, 10 divided by 5 is different, and 5 divided by 10 is also different. So it is not commutative. Okay. Same case with subtraction. 40 minus 20. It is means 40 minus 20 is equal to 20, and 20 minus 40 is minus 20. So these are not equal. Means whatever the division and subtraction operations are there, those are non-commutative operations. Okay. Now it is necessary to coordinate with the sequential arrangement of the operands with the definition of how the operator takes its arguments, that is from left to right. When dealing with non-commutative operations like division and subtraction, it is necessary to coordinate the sequential arrangement of the operands. Okay, sequential arrangement of operands with the definition of how the operator takes its arguments. Okay. Now, what does it mean is, it is necessary to coordinate sequential arrangement. Means here we cannot change the order. In non-commutative operations, division and subtraction, we cannot change the order. If we change the order, then meaning of that expression changes. Okay, meaning of those expressions changes. How that operator takes its arguments, it depends on those operands. Okay, that is from left to right. It is telling us the direction from left to right, because from at the most positions the Polish expressions will have the operators, and at the rightmost positions the Polish expressions will have operands. Okay, operands means any values those we are taken. Okay, now for example, divided by 10, 5, with the 10 left to 5 has the meaning of 10 divided by 5. Okay, divided by 10, 5. We can see here the notation, divided by 10, 5. With the 10 left to 5. 5 च्या left ला काय आहे 10, has the meaning of 10 divided by 5. Divide 10 by 5, or minus 7, 6, with 7 left to 6 has the meaning 7 minus 6. How we can write it there in the Polish expression? Divided by 10, 5 is 10 divided by 5, and this minus 7, 6. Okay, it will have the meaning of 7 minus 6. It's just the notation or expression. Okay, Polish expression it is. So what I will suggest to you is here subtract from 7 the operand 6. Okay, 7 minus 6. How it will be written? Like minus 7, 6, with 7 left to 6. कसं लिहिणार आहे म्हणजे पहिला ऑपरंड काय असणार आहे आपला 10 divided by 5. Same case here, 7 minus 6. First operand will be there as the first operand while doing the operation also. Okay, read. Okay, we are done with this. Then the Polish notation uniquely indicates which operator to evaluate first. It is the very important note for the Polish expression. What it does is the Polish notation uniquely indicates means it's a specialty. We say like this is my specialty and I can do it better, like that. Okay, Polish notation काय करतात? Uniquely indicates which operator to evaluate. इथं आपण पाहिलं which operator to या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. ओके, कसं करणार आहे वरच्या स्लाइड मध्ये पाहिलं आपण. into -5, 6, 7 म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा कुठलं ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करायचंय? इनरमोस्ट कुठलं आहे? -5, 6, that is nothing but 5 minus 6, and whatever the result comes from that is multiplied by this 7. Okay, so what does it suggest? That the Polish notation uniquely indicates which operator to evaluate first. Okay, then a valid prefix expression always starts with an operator and ends with an operand. That we already know. Prefix कशापासून चालू होतात? Operator, whichever the operator we have, and ends with operands on which we are operating this operation. Okay, these in Polish notations only means at the first place operators are here and at the last places operands are here. Okay. A valid prefix expression always starts with an operator. Expression always starts with an operator and ends with an operator. Evaluation can either proceed from left to right or in the opposite direction. Evaluation of that expression will be started from left to right or right to left. It depends on the algorithm that we are using. We are using here for the left to right. Okay, the algorithm for left to right. For compilation, stack data structure is used. How many of you know the stack data structure? All of you know stack?
Yes, sir.
Which are the operations we perform with the stack? Operation performed with the stack, which are there?
Push and pop.
Push and pop. Okay. काय काय टर्म्स आहेत स्टॅक रिलेटेड तुम्हाला माहिती? व्हॉट इज टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक? Yes. You have studied in data structure, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Top means last element of the stack.
okay. And pushed element, where does it go? When you push the element in the stack, where does it go? On top of stack or below that top of stack?
Top of stack.
Okay.
Top of stack.
जो कुठला एलिमेंट आपण पुश करतो तो कुठे जातो? टॉप ऑफ स्टॅकला. म्हणजे टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक अपडेट होत असतो. ओके, जसं आपण पुश करू किंवा पॉप करू एलिमेंट. येस ऑर नो?
Yes, ma'am.
सो पुश आणि पॉप हे त्याचे दोन ऑपरेशन्स आहेत आणि टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक अपडेट होत असतो. ओके, हे आपल्याला या कॉन्सेप्ट लागणार आहेत. कंपायलेशन ऑफ दिस पॉलिश एक्सप्रेशन, त्याच्यासाठी आपण ह्या बघत आहोत. ओके, हाऊ द कंपायलेशन प्रोसेस इज देअर वी कॅन सी नाउ. Initialize stack, that compulsory we have to do. Then top of stack, after if current element is an operator plus or star, insert to stack. Okay, सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये काय करणार आहे? स्टॅक इनिशियलाइज केल्यानंतर जो कुठला करंट एलिमेंट असणार आहे ऑपरेटर, तो आपण स्टॅकला इन्सर्ट करणार आहे. ओके, वॉट एव्हर द एक्सप्रेशन विल बी देअर, that will be taken to the top of stack. Then else it will be a number, else it will be a number. ऑपरेटर्स पुश करून झाल्यावर काय येणार आहेत? एकानंतर एक नंबर्स येणार आहेत. येस ऑर नो? हो ना? पुश करण्यासाठी काय येणार आहे? Yes or no? Polish expressions. We first, all the operators are there. Then all the operands are there. We are pushing the elements in stack. So after all the operators are there in the stack one by one, what will be there? Numbers will be pushed. Okay. Now what is there? If top of stack is an operator, insert this number to stack. Okay. टॉप ऑफ स्टॅकला सध्या काय आहे? ऑपरेटर आहे. जेव्हा फर्स्ट ऑपरंड जाईल तेव्हा तो इन्सर्ट दिस नंबर टू टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक. पहिल्यांदा आपण काय करणार आहोत? त्या तो जो नंबर आहे तो स्टॅक मध्ये इन्सर्ट करणार आहोत. देन एल्स top of stack will be a number, pop it, say it B. Okay, त्या नंबरला आपण B म्हणूया. तो नंबर जो काही आहे त्याला आपण पॉप करणार आहे. नाउ पॉप अगेन फ्रॉम द stack, it will be an operator. Okay, then use it and evaluate the B. Okay, use it and evaluate the B. म्हणजे तो जो काही ऑपरेटर असेल आणि तो जो काही एलिमेंट बी असेल, बी अँड द एलिमेंट, वॉट एव्हर द एलिमेंट नेक्स्ट इज that will be evaluated with the operator and B. Okay, for plus do B plus element, the plus element plus operator is there, then B plus element will be there. For star, B star element will be there. Now use this evaluated value as element and go to step 2.8. Okay, return top of stack. Stack size will be 1 and it will be the answer of our expression. Okay, now we will see this example with the help of whiteboard. This algorithm we will see with the help of whiteboard and then we will stop. Okay, write your attendance in chat box and see here what I am doing. Okay, I have this stack. Okay, my expression is here, instead of minus I am taking plus, because again minus sign will no, we can take minus also, not an issue. Star minus five, 6 and 7. Okay, now I will insert one by one in the stack. That is, I will push. Star will be there at the first place. Okay, this is the top now. Then I will insert here minus sign. Now it will be the top in the next step. Then what comes here is the element 5. I will also push the 5 in the stack. Now 5 denotes the top of stack. ओके, इथपर्यंत कळालं सगळ्यांना? आपण काय केलं, हे आपलं एक्सप्रेशन आहे, स्टार 5 स्टार मायनस 5, 6 अँड 7. ओके, मग काय केलं आपण, पुश केलं एक एक ऑपरेटर, स्टार, त्याच्यानंतर मायनस आणि त्याच्यानंतर फर्स्ट ऑपरंड 5. ओके ना. आता टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक कुठे आहे 5 ला. ओके नंतर मी काय केलं पहिल्यांदा पॉप ऑपरेशन केलं. ओके पॉप ऑपरेशन केल्यानंतर काय झालं 5 बाहेर निघालं. ओके मग काय राहिलं आतमध्ये मायनस अँड स्टार. मायनस सध्या काय आहे टॉप. ओके now what it is saying again pop the operator which is there. Again we will pop the minus operator. Then taking this element, next element what it is, next element is 6. We will do the operation with this element 6. What we did, आपल्याला इथे दिसतंय हा फर्स्ट ऑपरंड आहे. तुम्ही म्हणणार मग हा आपल्याला पॉप करायचा होता तर पुश कशाला केला. बट इट इज नॉट द केस. कम्प्युटरला माहित नाहीये पुढचे काय आहेत तुमचे जे काही एलिमेंट्स आहेत पुढचे काय आहेत हे कम्प्युटरला माहित नाहीये. म्हणून तो काय करत जातोय पहिल्यांदा सगळे ऑपरेटर्स त्यांनी पुश केले आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर पहिला ऑपरंड पुश केला आहे. त्याला कळालं की हा आता नंबर आहे. मग काय करणार आहे तो नंबर पॉप करणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर तो काय पॉप करणार आहे पहिला ऑपरेटर पॉप करणार आहे. मग तो काय होणार आहे 5 मायनस. ओके 5 आणि मायनस त्यांनी पॉप केला आहे स्टॅक मधून. ओके सो 5 मायनस 6 पुढचं त्यांनी एलिमेंट कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे 6. 5 मायनस 6 हे ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म केल्यानंतर काय आलं आहे -1. येस ऑर नो. पहिल्यांदा काय केलं स्टार ऑपरेटर पुश केला मायनस ऑपरेटर पुश केला त्याच्यानंतर 5 पुट केलं पुश केलं स्टॅक मध्ये. मग त्याला काय आलं 5 हा नंबर आहे. त्यांनी 5 पॉप केलं मायनस सुद्धा पॉप केलं. मग त्याचा करंट एलिमेंट काय होता 6. मग त्यांनी परफॉर्म काय केलं ऑपरेशन 5 मायनस 6 इट इज इक्वल टू -1. Now this -1 is again pushed to the stack. Okay, this -1 is pushed to stack. So now the stack is star and -1. ओके ह्याचा आन्सर काय जे आलं -1 ते त्यांनी स्टॅक मध्ये पुश केलेलं आहे. ओके मग आता काय आहे टॉप ऑफ स्टॅक काय आहे -1. त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा काय करणार तो -1 हा नंबर आहे. -1 पुन्हा पॉप करणार. त्याच्यानंतर स्टार पण पॉप करणार आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर हा एलिमेंट कन्सिडर करणार विच इज 7. ओके सो -1 into 7 it becomes -7 and this is the answer of whole expression and at last it remains in the stack is -7 and it is the answer of our Polish expression. It is what It is answer of Polish expression. Okay, getting? लास्टला काय म्हणलंय त्यांनी आणि हे कळालं का सगळ्यांना? येस यश, यश, first we push the elements which were operators in the stack. Then we took the first number on the stack. Then we popped number from the stack and first operator from the stack, and we perform the this operator and operand with the element which is current element where the pointer is there. So answer of this operation again pushed to the stack. Here it comes again, pop operation is there, -1, and then star operator into, and whichever the pointer points to this expression element, that is 7, and -7 is the answer of this Polish expression. Okay. It is nothing but the compilation process of the Polish expression. Okay. Now return top of stack. Whatever the answer is there, that will be returned to top of stack, and stack size will be 1. We have seen in the whiteboard at the last only the answer will be there, means size stack of the size will size of the stack will be 1. एकच एलिमेंट असणार आहे स्टॅक मध्ये, काय असणार आहे त्याचं आन्सर असणार आहे एक्सप्रेशनचं. येस ऑर नो? All of you get this concept or not? Compilation process of the Polish expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is not that difficult. Just only push operation and pop operations are there. Okay, the group and group codes we will see in the next lecture. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
What is in case of -5, -6 prefix?
-5, -6 prefix.
Yes.
In that case, both the operators minus will be at the first place. Okay.
And
Getting?
if we have to take a bracket, then
if we have taken the bracket, then whatever the bracket elements are there, those will be operated first. Whatever we have taken in the bracket, that will be operated first, and then another notations, another operations will be done.
can you show on board, ma'am?
Actually, I'm not getting that much what you are supposed telling that -5, -6. Is it, Nikita?
Yes, yes.
In this case, it will be -5, 6.
And bracket, where is the bracket in there?
Where you want to put the bracket? It is only single operation. Okay. It is not a complex operation. Means in operation, it is not there. Operation in operation. It is a single operation. You are performing -5 subtraction, means with this 6. Yes or no? Which operation you want to do? Is it the same operation you want to do?
Yes.
6 is subtracted from -5. Is it?
And the answer is -11, -5, -6.
Yes, it will be -5, -11. How? First, this will be there. हे कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन नाहीये. तुम्ही जे म्हणताय ना ते कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन नाहीये. हे -5 as it is will be there in the Polish expression will be there. And we are performing what it will mean is we are performing subtraction operation of -5 and 6. Getting?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We are subtracting 6 from -5. In technical terms, we can say it like we are subtracting 6 from -5. -5, -6. Now you got the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हाला कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन म्हणायचं असेल तर पहिलं कुठलं परफॉर्म होणार हे डिसाइड करायला लागेल. बट इन दिस केस इट इज नॉट अ कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन, इट इज अ सिंगल ऑपरेशन. ओके, so can we stop now? Yes, can we stop now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, in the just put your attendance in the chat box. Only once you have to do this, and then you can join for the another meeting.